Tech interview question 1 of 100. What is the difference between a linked list and an array? Answer. An array is a static data structure with a fixed size, while a linked list is dynamic and can grow or shrink as needed. Linked lists have nodes with a pointer to the next node, while arrays have indexed elements. Tech interview question 2 of 100. What is recursion in programming? Answer. Recursion is a technique where a function calls itself in its body. It's useful for solving problems that can be broken down into smaller, similar problems. Tech interview question 3 of 100. What's the difference between and in JavaScript? Answer. Checks for value equality with type coercion, whereas checks for value equality without allowing type coercion, i.e., it checks both value and type. Tech interview question 4 of 100. What is multithreading, and how is it different from multiprocessing? Answer. Multithreading is when multiple threads in a single process execute tasks concurrently. Multiprocessing involves multiple processes, each running independently on different CPUs or cores. Tech interview question 5 of 100. How does garbage collection work in programming languages? Answer. Garbage collection is a form of automatic memory management. It identifies and frees up memory that is no longer in use by the program, preventing memory leaks. Tech interview question 6 of 100. What's the difference between a binary tree and a binary search tree? Answer. All binary search trees are binary trees, but not vice versa. In a binary search tree, all nodes to the left of a parent are less, and all nodes to the right are greater. Tech interview question 7 of 100. What is polymorphism in programming? Answer. Polymorphism is a feature of object-oriented programming that allows objects of different types to be treated as objects of a parent type. It enhances flexibility and maintainability. Tech interview question 8 of 100. What is the principle of DRY in software development? Answer. DRY stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. It's a principle aimed at reducing redundancy in code, promoting reusability by abstraction. Tech interview question 9 of 100. What is a hash table? Answer. A hash table is a data structure that implements an associative array abstract data type. It uses a hash function to compute an index where an element is to be inserted or searched. Tech interview question 10 of 100. What's the difference between a left join and an inner join in SQL? Answer. A left join returns all the rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. An inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. Tech interview question 11 of 100. What are some ways to optimize a slow SQL query? Answer. You can optimize a slow SQL query by using indexes effectively, avoiding using select asterisk, reducing joins, using where instead of having, and avoiding correlated subqueries. Tech interview question 12 of 100. What is the concept of inheritance in object-oriented programming, OOP? Answer. Inheritance in OOP allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class, promoting reusability and a hierarchical classification. Tech interview question 13 of 100. How does an HTTP request work? Answer. An HTTP request is initiated by a client, usually a browser, to a server. It includes a method, get, post, etc., headers, and often, a body. The server responds with a status code, headers, and a body. Tech interview question 14 of 100. What is a RESTful API? Answer. A RESTful API is an architectural style for an application program interface, API, that uses HTTP requests to get, put, post, and delete data following the REST standards. Tech interview question 15 of 100. What is the role of CSS in web development? Answer. CSS, cascading style sheets, is used for styling HTML elements. It separates content from design, allowing you to change the look of a site without altering the HTML. Tech interview question 16 of 100. What is a primary key in a database? Answer. A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in a database. It must contain unique values and cannot be null. Tech interview question 17 of 100. What is the concept of encapsulation in object-oriented programming? Answer. Encapsulation refers to bundling data, variables, and methods together into a single unit, class. It also involves data hiding, protecting data from direct modification. Tech interview question 18 of 100. What's the difference between NoSQL and SQL databases? Answer. SQL databases are relational, use structured query language, and have predefined schemas. NoSQL databases are non-relational, can handle structured, unstructured data, and are scalable horizontally. Tech interview question 19 of 100. What is the singleton design pattern? Answer. Singleton is a design pattern that restricts a class from instantiating multiple objects. It ensures a class only has one instance and provides a global point of access. Tech interview question 20 of 100. What is cloud computing? Answer. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet. It provides flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency by allowing on-demand access to shared resources.